To, I suppose, reiterate what everybody else said, I just find it a very useful and an insightful course for highlighting to me the potential and the risks of cyber attacks on organisations. I find the use of real life examples very beneficial in actually seeing the impact on organisations, and I suppose developing the playbooks and that structure for response. I suppose for me, the biggest takeaway from an emergency planning and business continuity perspective is the need for appropriate governance around, cyber incident response and, I suppose, for IT generally. And the tutor I found engaging and entertaining. I certainly I wasn't bored.